Here, put this in the cooler. Please. All right, I think we got this filming shit down too. What was that? Did you hear a noise?
Yeah, that was my cell phone.
It means we're getting back to civilization. So, how long have we gone now? Whenever you get a second. We probably should be there about 4. What time is it now?
Noon. Exactly 12.
Is that right? We're doing good.
Yeah.
Plenty of time.
That was just my Brazilian wax reminder.
That's tomorrow.
Yeah.
No. Thursday? Yeah. So, where was 61? Have we reached 61? Or do we just pass it by? I'm pretty sure we passed it by. Shit, we are almost there. And the light's still green there. It means it's got power, plenty of power. I was thinking maybe instead of diving, depends on what it looks like. But an option is tie this to my wrist and you drive, and I'll be in the front there with the camera underneath the water, you understand, filming, and I can be telling you go left, go right, you know. You're gonna have to learn how to drive this motherfucker anyways, so that's an option, you know. Ain't no colder than it was back there. Big wuss. You just don't want to go in. I might throw you in. Wouldn't that be funny? Ooh. You see how I knew? You didn't even have to say anything. So as soon as we see the 62 mile marker, we're gonna take a left. And we should be able to see the bridge then. There. There's supposed to be a trail to the left of us, Boy Scout Canyon Hot Spring, and it shows that a trail goes down there, I think. Be on the left. Your other left. You know, if I remember it, remember I told you I jumped over a tree? We're gonna go on Google Earth and look up that park. And it's still there, but you just can't jump over the trees anymore. Put it in like 3-dimension, you know? That looks like an entrance at the top of that. Way up there, look at that. Way up there. Could be even a shadow, but looks like a doorway and a kind of a pathway down. And it could be an extreme climb. Right next to it, there's like an opening too. Look at that circle. Almost a perfect circle right there. 2 of them. Right next door to each other. What's the odds of that? Okay, 62, 62, come on you. I'm hoping it's going to be right around this corner here. We turn to the right a little bit, we hit 62, and then we turn left a little bit, and we should be able to see the bridge, hopefully. Oh, this is the hardest part of doing the whole Colorado River, I would think. You know, I can't figure out what feeds Lake Mead. Because I was looking at the map and I did not see the Colorado River running into Lake Mead. And that's... How does it come? I gotta look on the map and see how it comes down. And see, this next one, we only have to go to like Searchlight, don't we? That's Cotton Cove.
Yeah, it would be 14 miles.
So that's only like 60 miles away, you know? And we take that down. There was another one. There's two of them in California, ain't there? One just south of, I want to say Pinckney or something, but I thought I saw it on this here. Little Beach, El Dorado Canyon takeout. So that's, like I say, that's 15 miles right there. That'd be a day trip, and then one down to Cottonwood Cove, and then one, you know, one our way down, and each time we do it, we have less of a drive. You know, a lot less. 15 or 20 miles. But, and then we can keep on going. Do Needles, Topak, Lake Havasu, Parker Dam, and then go south of Parker Dam, and then you're talking the half the state of Arizona. But at 15 miles, you know what I'm saying? It wouldn't take that long to do. I mean, I'm not saying we have to do it like right day after, you know, once a week or something like that. And do the whole fucking river. Film the whole river. You want to see the Colorado River? Here it is. What do you think of that? I think that would be cool. This is cool. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. It's kind of like doing the Grand Canyon. How many people have done it, you know? See, the corners keep on getting longer and longer. You know?
We get closer right now.
I see a red dot in there. I want to see what that means. There's a kayak right there to your left. Is there some kind of cove here or something? Look how shallow it's getting. Look at that little inlet to your right, to your left, right. I see another kayak right in front of us. Now see, they load you. You can work out something out with a company where they load you, and they have to get a special, you got to buy a special permit. What is that? Stick?
Yeah.
So basically it costs you about 120 bucks for them to take your kayak to the water. And I don't know if that's a pickup or not. I think it is. But usually they do like 8 or 10, you know, so they can make their money. I think that's where you've seen people sunbathing